Hey, good morning, wellness folks. I'm going to walk you through today's stuff for our public service announcements. We are doing research today and tomorrow, so you do have 2 days to get this next segment done of our video. So please make sure that you're taking a look, and it does not need to be overwhelming. You are going to come up with a couple driving questions, and we'll have to come up with 6 tidbits of information and research, like real research, for each of those driving questions you come up with. So we are going to take a look at my screen here and updates. Again, make sure you're looking through those videos. And we go down to the bottom, distance learning. Again, here's our timeline. We have our research and resources that we're coming up with for today, April 2nd and 3rd. And here we are. So what you're going to be doing for creating your own public service announcement today is you're going to come up with some research. So remember yesterday you did your worksheet where you learned about what made a PSA effective. You learned the 5 parts of a PSA. You should have watched 6 different examples, 2 in each style of public service announcement. You looked for your assigned topic, and then finally filled out and turned in your worksheet. All right. So today is going to start our research portion. You are going to come up with 2 driving questions that you're curious about or want to focus your research on. Okay, a driving question is an open-ended inquiry that guides you through thinking and learning. Right? This is what you should be wanting to explore pertaining to your topic. So even if I had the same topic as my friend, we might come up with 2 completely different driving questions dependent on what we are curious about. There is a research worksheet that you need to fill out, and that's what you're going to be turning in at the end of the day tomorrow. So in order to successfully complete your research worksheet, you must find 6 points per driving question that you came up with. You're also going to fill out the resource list that is on your resource worksheet, or your research worksheet. You have to use at least 3 resources. Online resources should be a site that ends with org, edu, or gov. If you find a .com to use, you have to have a written justification telling me why the information that you found on that .com is valid and good research for us to use. If you have someone in your household or someone that's accessible to you that is a paid professional in your topic, you can use them as a source. You basically will interview them and ask them the questions that you need. To know if they're professional in your topic, it's not because they write a blog, it's not because they happen to deal with that situation. It's literally they get paid to know more about this topic or went to school to focus on this topic. For example, if I am gluten-free because I have celiac, that does not make me a professional in being gluten-free. I can speak about my experience, but I am not a professional. Now, if I am a nurse or if I am a doctor or if I'm even a nutritionist that deals with being gluten-free, then I would be considered a professional. Each source that you pull information from must go into the resource list on the 3rd page of the research worksheet. In the source box, you're going to copy and paste the URL. I don't need you to do a true citation. And then in the justification box, if you need it, you are going to justify using your .com. Or if you are interviewing a professional, you have to tell me the credibility of your professional. All right, so here is your research worksheet. You can put this right into Notability. You can type or you can write. Please, if you handwrite, make sure I can read your writing. Here's a slideshow that goes through exactly what I just showed you today. And here's where you're going to be turning it in with the point breakdown. So please make sure you let me know and message me during my office hours if you have any questions or concerns about anything that you have going on. And encourage some of your friends that you know are maybe falling behind to ask for help. If anyone does want to do a Zoom meeting with me, make sure you message me and I can set one up for us. All right. Good job, you guys.